Ladies, how are you doing all? Hope y'all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. Let's start with the mannequins. Yeah. Now back to our collection. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you'll be getting notified. And the sari which I'm wearing is very pretty green and peach shade Kanchipattu sari. All over zari checks with beautiful peacocks, leaves and florals, and lovely border with paisleys, curvy checks, peacocks, beautiful border with an edge contrast. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade with peacock border, elephant and peacock borders. Blouse, self plain with border. You can go for contrast blouse like this because we got an orange color edge contrast, so that you can go for this such kind of blouses. And this blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designer blouses, just ping us on 733 733 7000. And this sari pricing and details, it's 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG33. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another sari. Lovely blue and grey combination pattu sari. Half and half. Upper side we got a self leaf buttas, and downside we got grey color border with beautiful skirt design and paisleys. Skirt border with rich cross cutty in silver zari. And this is the pallu, complete leaf brocade, contrast pallu. And the blouse is contrast plain blouse. You can customize this too. And sari pricing and details, 6,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AF161. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash on delivery option. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday excited offers, deals and many more. Alage ee roju last day andi 15th July lightweight pattu sari meeda there is going on big sale nadustundandi. Just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next sari, lovely green and brown shade, very light brown and light green. It's a shredded kind thing. Beautiful all over florals, diamonds with shredded green thread weave andi. And this is the border, beautiful diamond brocade, floral vines, pallu, diamond brocade and floral zigzag blocks. Ila cross ga unnai, geometric style lo, contrast pallu, and the blouse is also contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details, 7,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ79. Let's see next sari. Lovely maroon color. Gandaberundam booties in round. Very pretty. And this is the border. Yalis and peacocks along with the diamond brocade borders. Beautiful maroon shade. And this is the pallu. Complete leaf buttas with elephants, temples and leaf shaped buttas. Blouse, self plain with the border. You can go for any other contrast color like bottle green, black color. 12,399 is the price of the sari. Take a screenshot along with the code N614. Very pretty combination. Next sari. So self vachinappudu you can go for any other contrast blouse and you can customize that. Next pretty sari which is in yellow and sea green color, dark sea green. Beautiful self leaf butta, self colored. Lovely cross cutty border and paisleys, florals in the border, contrast. And this is the pallu, contrast pallu with a curvy leaf brocade. And the blouse is contrast, self-weaved leaf buttas along with the border. Sari pricing and details. It's 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AH379. Send us on 733-733-7000. Let's see the sari overall look once. Beautiful beige and pink color sari. Copper zari leaf buttas all over the sari body. And border is shredded kite weave. Beautiful plants, trees and lovely houses and beautiful. And this is the contrast pallu with a leaf brocade along with the border. And the blouse is contrast plain. Very pretty combination. And the pricing and details of the sari is it's 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AG571. ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా yellow and sea green, dark sea green combination sari. Let's have a quick look. Next sari, lovely pink and mauve shade, lavender mauve shade ala untundandi. Lavender and brown mix avute ee combination vastundi ala untundi idi. Plain sari with a beautiful peacock and temple cross cutty paisley border. Pallu contrast with rich cutty and huge motifs in the middle. And we got paisleys here in the blocks. And the blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. $6399. Take a screenshot along with the code AH832. Next sari. To visit our store, it's on road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Pedama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And this sari, which is in blue and beige color. It's a royal blue, navy blue lopala andi royal blue to self thread weave buttas vachai. leaf buttas, alage flying birds with contrast thread, contrast border with cross zari lines and beautiful bird stems and leaves, and here piano stripes. Pallu, stripes with paisleys, leaves and florals. Contrast pallu and the contrast blouse plain with border. Sari pricing and details: 7,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AH769. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Beautiful yellow shade, my favorite. All over floral buttas with copper and silver zari, and lovely border with peacocks, cross kaddi. And this is the pallu. Beautiful paisleys, huge floral motifs. Blouse is pretty contrast blouse, sea green, plain with border. Sari pricing and details: it's 8,720. Take a screenshot along with the code AI554. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, magenta pink, beautiful kanchipattu sari, all over square blocks with horses, both gold and silver zari buttas. And this is the border, diamond brocade and big mandalas with elephants and floral. And this is the pallu, cross checks with floral buttas. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details: 6,150. Take a screenshot along with the code AI82. Beige, very pretty beige sari, copper zari floral buttas and peacocks. Border, leaf buttas, kaddi with peacocks. Pallu, contrast grey color with lovely diamond brocade and floral border. And blouse, light grey, very pale grey with border. Beautiful and very lovely. Sari pricing and details: it's 7,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AI92. Beautiful kada. Next sari, black, lovely black and palm shade, diamond shaped florals and lines, self buttas, lovely kaddi border, contrast. Pallu, rich kaddi pallu, it's a contrast pallu, and the blouse is contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details: 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AH785. Next sari, very beautiful pink color sari with zari lines. Zari lines, buttas, elephant with umbrellas, buttas, beautiful floral vines, border. Everything is in copper zari and silver combination. And this is the pallu, completely half curvy brocade. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details, let me give you. It's 7599. Take a screenshot along with the code AG869. Send us on 733 733 7000. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in Instagram and Facebook? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Red and beige combination, stunning gorgeous saree. And the self brocade వచ్చిందండి, self cross checks and buttas వచ్చాయి, curls వచ్చాయి. And this is the border, floral jal border contrast with cross kaddi. Pallu, complete rich kaddi వచ్చిందండి, contrast pallu with beautiful embossed florals. And this is the blouse, contrast plain with border. Very lovely combination, red and beige. And 6880 is the price. It's a Kanchipattu sari. AJ154 is the code. Next sari. We ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Beautiful sari. It's a sea green. Yeah. It's a stem with leaf buttas వచ్చాయండి all over the body anta. And very gorgeous border. Look at the stripes, how pretty they are. Temples, pastels in the temples. Beautiful kada. And this is the pallu. Floral vines border, temples and florals. And we got a contrast blouse, purple color with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 11,599. Take a screenshot along with the code L765. And to visit our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for everyday exciting deals. And ఈరోజు లాగాన్ అవుతే జస్ట్ లైట్ వెయిట్ పట్టు శారీస్ మీద బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఉందండి, ఓన్లీ వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే. జస్ట్ లాగాన్ టు అవర్ వెబ్సైట్, దట్ ఈస్ www.brandmandir.com. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ, పింక్ కలర్, వెరీ ప్రిటీ పింక్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ డైమండ్ బుటాస్, border, triangulars, floral vines, cross checks with dotted buttas. And this is the pallu, cross stripes with beautiful huge floral motifs. Blouse, brocade blouse, anta leaf brocade ochindandi with border, self color. You can go for silver color also, as we got everything is in silver saree. Just go for silver color blouse, or else any other contrast like a navy blue or royal blue and a green color. Very pretty దీనికి combination. And for customized blouses like this beautiful and gorgeous blouses, contact none other than our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding lehengas, dupattas and designer blouses, just ping us on 733-733-7000. And the saree pricing and details, it's 11,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Do visit our store. We are taking every precaution in this pandemic COVID time. It's on road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, Debotari, Hyderabad. Lovely cream color Kanchipattu sari, beautiful. All over stripes, zari and thread stripes. And this is the border, self plain with motifs, pastels and rounds. And this is the pallu, complete curvy brocade with beautiful oval shaped buttas andi. And this is the blouse, self plain with buttas for sleeves. Sari pricing and details, 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code N190. Next saree. And do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. YouTube lo my channel Brand Mandir. Subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Next saree. Wow. Lovely dark shade and the brown. Beautiful floral jal with copper zari all over the body and very pretty cross-cutty border. And stunning pallu with diamonds. And the blouse. Yeah. It's a self blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ158. This saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Next saree. Lovely grey. Checks with florals. Cross cutty and floral border. And this is the pallu, zigzag pallu. Beautiful leaf shaped blocks వచ్చాయండి. Blouse is very pretty sea blue contrast blouse with border. Very lovely and different combination. Saree pricing and details. It's 11,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ80. So ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా dark brown color saree with a floral jal. Let's have a quick look. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting offers. Next saree. Beautiful bottle green and brown color. Dark brown. All over green thread diamond buttas and floral, zari floral buttas. Border contrast with kadi and peacocks and yalis. Pallu contrast with a floral brocade, and the blouse is contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 11,199. Take a screenshot along with the code L361. We ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Next saree. Beautiful magenta shade, magenta pink, all over floral vines, and lovely border with diamond brocade and florals cross cutty with yellow edge contrast. This is the pallu, complete diamond brocade pallu, and the blouse is self plain with border. Very lovely shade. Saree pricing and details. 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AH560. Next saree. Beautiful green, mint green. Complete floral jal with peacocks, birds, parrots, horses, elephants, tigers. This is the cross cutty with floral border. Pallu, complete a curvy leaf brocade with florals in it, and this is the blouse, self plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AF145. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Lovely blue color saree. It's a navy blue. Very pretty floral buttas. A lovely border with floral vines and cross checks with dotted buttas. And this is the pallu, beautiful diamond brocade border as well as florals. And the blouse it's a zigzag brocade blouse, self-colored with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AGA59. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Very different and pretty combination. Pink and green. It's a peacock green shade. Cross floral vine checks with beautiful floral buttas. Contrast border with cross kadi and alleys and peacocks in the border. Pallu contrast with diamond brocade. And the blouse is contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 16,799. Take a screenshot along with the code AI77. Next saree. Wow. It's a very light grey. Very light grey. Cross checks with the florals in it. And beautiful border, cross kadi with peacocks and florals. Pallu, cross checks with florals. And the blouse is contrast, very bright, beautiful pink color, plain with border. Lovely combination. Saree pricing and details. It's 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AI639. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next gorgeous saree. To follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. To subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, Debotarin, Hyderabad. We ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. It's a tissue saree. It's a tissue saree, pink color with beautiful magenta all over floral jal. And this is the contrast border with peacocks, florals, floral vines, zigzag and cross kadi. And this is the pallu, rich kadi pallu, cross kadi pallu with huge motifs and drop shape buttas. Blouse, self with parsley buttas and border. It's a tissue andi, both a sari and blouse. Tissue. Sari pricing and details is 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ75. So coming season is Varalakshmi Vratam and wedding season ostund kabatti. Just grab this beautiful Kanchipattu sarees from our Brand Mandir store. One more pretty saree. Wow, blue and pink combination, all over floral jal with copper zari, very pretty golden zari border with peacocks and cross kadi. We got a pink edge contrast here. Pallu, cross checks with a floral buttas along with a lovely lotus border. Blouse contrast, very pretty pink, plain with border. Lovely combination, blue and pink anedi most trending color combination. And the saree pricing and details, it's 14,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AI101. Next took a bright and beautiful color combination చూపించబోతున్నాను and log on to our website that is www.brandmandir.com for everyday exciting deals and ఈ రోజు last day అండి for lightweight పట్టు sarees మీద offer is going on. Just log on to our website that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree and for customized blouses like this beautiful gorgeous blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Pink and green, beautiful combination all over floral gel, very small weave, small little florals and vines, very cute. Chinna print and chinna weave. And this is the traditional border with paisley stripes, a rangoli design, and we got a green edge contrast. I love this edge contrast andi undadi chinnaga untundi, half inch untundi edge contrast, but it enhances the complete saree look. ఆ చిన్న దాని వల్ల చాలా అందం వచ్చేస్తుంది సారీకి. And this is the pallu, beautiful curvy brocade. In that we got a paislays బ్లౌజ్. నేను చెప్పాను ఏదైతే ఎడ్జ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చిందో దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. కంప్లీట్ బుటాస్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ వెరీ గ్రాండ్గా ఉంది బ్లౌజ్ విత్ బార్డర్. సో వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి ఇలాంటి శారీస్ గ్రాప్ చేసేసేయండి. శారీ ప్రైసింగ్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ 19,199 ఓన్లీ. వెరీ రిచ్ అండ్ రాయల్ శారీ. కంప్లీట్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా చాలా బ్రొకేడ్ వచ్చింది, చాలా రిచ్గా ఉంది. యూ నో నీడ్ టు గో ఫర్ ఎనీ కస్టమైజ్డ్ బ్లౌజ్. ఈ సారీ ఓవరాల్ లుక్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ బ్రైట్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ yellow కలర్. yellow ఏ రకంగా ఉన్నా బాగుంటుందండి, బ్రైట్గా కానీ డల్గా కానీ మస్టర్డ్ కానీ మ్యాంగో yellow కానీ ఆల్ yellows ఆర్ వెరీ ప్రెటీ. లీవ్స్తో క్రాస్ చెక్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఇన్ దట్ వి గాట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ peacocks, border, florals, cross kadi, and this is the pallu and cross lines with oval shaped buttas and gorgeous blouse contrast with border. Saree pricing and details 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ74. ఇందాక చూపించాను కదా పింక్ కలర్ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ క్విక్ లుక్. Next gorgeous saree, beautiful sea blue with stunning pink combination all over, drop shape and floral buttas, contrast border with cross kadi and florals, lovely lotus buttas, and this is the pallu, cross lines with florals and lovely lotus vines and paisleys, contrast pallu. And the blouse is also contrast plain with border. And this blue and pink combination is lovely combination. Saree pricing and details, it's 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ156. Next saree, red color kanchipattu saree. Leaves the cross checks వచ్చాయండి. We got a drop shape buttas in it. Cross kadi border with peacocks, elephants, yalis. Pallu, curvy waves andi, curvy lines with florals in it. Blouse self plain with border. అంటే సెల్ఫ్ చిన్న చిన్న బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయండి సెల్ఫ్ కలర్లో. You can go for contrast color, any other color like green and royal blue. Sari pricing and details, 22,399. Take a screenshot along with the code R139. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
With red combination, diamonds and floral vines, crossed floral vines and diamond buttas in it. Contrast border with peacocks, drop shape buttas, cross kaddi, and this is the pallu, wavy brocade with beautiful paisley buttas here, beautiful floral buttas and the drop shape. Blouse వచ్చేసి brocade blouse, self contrast rich tissue blouse, and alage cross checks and florals వచ్చాయండి with border. Sari pricing and details, $18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ77. Next sari, lovely lavender, very pretty floral with leaves, zigzag border, paisleys and florals. Pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details, $18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ67. Next sari, lovely golden tissue sari with blue combination, complete jal, floral jal with lovely tree buttas, beautiful cross kaddi, peacocks and floral contrast border. Pallu, diamond brocade pallu, it's a contrast. Blouse, it's a contrast tissue blouse, complete brocade with border. Sari pricing and details, it's $18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ71. Next sari, one of my most favorite combination, mango yellow with gorgeous pink color, all over beautiful floral buttas with golden zari, and it's a contrast border, very pretty pink with florals, rudraksh in checks, rangoli weave and paisleys. And this is the pallu, rich diamond brocade pallu, it's a contrast. And the blouse is contrast plain with border. Super gorgeous, lovely combination, very traditional. It's $29,599. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ70. So indaka nenu chuinchanu kada, golden yellow with very pretty blue combination. Let's have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while. Next saree, black and beige. All over curvy shaped diamond buttas with florals and blocks. Beautiful contrast border beige with florals, heart shaped buttas. And this is the pallu, complete curvy brocade. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 7,120. Take a screenshot along with the code AH238. Next saree, wow, beautiful pink, so beautiful and a very lovely pink shade. Beautiful floral buttas all over the body, and it's a border, diamond brocade, cross cadi, peacocks and florals border. And this is the pallu, cross checks, cross lines or chandela, cross stripes with beautiful peacocks and rounds and temples. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ69. Next saree, beautiful, it's a navy blue andi, tissue saree, complete floral jal, peacocks and paisleys, beautiful contrast border, diamond brocade and florals. And this is the pallu, diamond brocade with kaddi and floral vines, borders. Blouse, contrast tissue blouse with buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ68. Next saree, beautiful cream color. Lovely floral with leaf buttas, border zigzag and paisleys and florals. Pallu, cross checks with florals. Blouse, self plain with border. Sari pricing and details. It's 18,399. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next beautiful saree. It's a peach and royal blue combination, all over double florals, overlapped floral round buttas, beautiful contrast border with double layered florals, borders and temples. Pallu and the diamond buttas with florals. Contrast pallu, blouse is also contrast royal blue, plain with border. Price 6,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AB55. Next saree, one more combination coming in royal blue, green with royal blue. Green with royal blue, all over floral buttas. We heard of horses and rounds. And stripes, floral vines, border, contrast. And this is the pallu, cross checks with florals. Blouse, contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 6880. Take a screenshot along with the code AF152. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
pink and blue kanchipattu sari, copper zari leaf buttas all over the body, and beautiful shaded contrast border with the trees, plants, and beautiful houses. It's a weave. It's looking like a painting, but it's a weave. And this is the pallu, completely brocade pallu with borders, contrast pallu, and the blouse contrast plain. Sari pricing and details 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AG545. And keep on following Brand Mandir, keep on supporting us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Thank you so much for your love and affection. Let's see another super gorgeous sari. Green with navy blue. Very rich leaves వచ్చాయండి, florals and leaves type వచ్చాయి. Beautiful border contrast with cross cutty and floral vines. Pallu contrast with cross checks and diamond buttas, and blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details 19,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ159. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ వా డిఫరెంట్ సారీ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదండి ఇలాంటి వీవ్ కానీ డిజైన్ కానీ, క్వైట్ డిఫరెంట్. అంత బ్లాక్స్, స్క్వేర్ బ్లాక్స్, ఓవర్లాపింగ్ స్క్వేర్ బ్లాక్స్. We got a very pretty lotus in it, super pretty and lovely purple color, and the border cross checks with florals and beautiful floral, half floral butta. Pallu embossed florals, very pretty. Blouse self weave and border. Sari pricing and details, it's 23,999. Quite different sari, beautiful gandhi. AJ73 is the code. Next sari, very soothing color combination, very light orange with it's a magenta pink combination. Zari checks with floral buttas, beautiful contrast border with diamond brocade and floral vines, and pallu contrast with cross checks and round buttas and diamonds, beautiful floral vines border. Blouse contrast plain with border, very pretty combination. Sari pricing and details 23,999. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. So ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా లవ్లీ పర్పుల్ సారీ, డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది ఇవి. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఎ క్విక్ లుక్. Next saree, gorgeous pink color saree andi, very pretty, florals and beautiful roses, border zigzag and diamond straps, floral vines border in the down, pallu curvy brocade self color, blouse self plain with border. You can go for silver color blouse also, as we got everything is in silver zari. It's 19,799 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AG551. Next sari, and log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for exciting offers daily and ఈరోజు లాస్ట్ అండి లైట్ వెయిట్ పట్టు శారీ మీద ఆఫర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. సో జస్ట్ విజిట్ అవర్ వెబ్సైట్, దట్ ఈస్ www.brandmandi.com. నాట్ ఓన్లీ టుడే అండి, డైలీ చాలా ఎవ్రీడే ఎగ్జైటింగ్ డీల్స్ ఉంటాయి. మిస్ అవ్వకుండా జస్ట్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు అవర్ వెబ్సైట్ అండి. It's a beige, beautiful half curvy buttas, cross cutty border and diamond brocade border. Zigzag brocade with huge pastelas in the pallu along with the diamonds and cross cutty borders. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 13,599. Take a screenshot along with the code Y41. Next saree, blue color, all over floral jal, cross cutty and florals in oval shaped buttas, border, pallu, cross checks with round buttas, blouse self plain with border, or else you can go for silver color blouse. 19,199 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AI 549. Next saree. Yeah. Lovely magenta. Beautiful designer weave. Like zigzag lines ila kalasham laga vachayandi oka diamond shape lo attached. మట్కా షేప్లో ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద క్రాస్ కడి అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ బార్డర్, పల్లు క్రాస్ స్ట్రైప్స్, బ్లౌజ్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 19,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AI561. Next, mustard and pink. Lovely mustard and pink, beautiful cross floral vines with beautiful round floral buttas in it, contrast border with cross cutty and floral vines, pallu, cross checks with diamond buttas with embossed pastelas along with the peacock border, lovely pallu, self cross lines and buttas along with the zari border. Saree pricing and details. It's 15,999. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ78. Next saree, magenta with orange and peach. Square blocks వచ్చాయండి all over body. Beautiful contrast border with cross checks and florals. Pallu is contrast with cross lines and oval shaped buttas along with the peacocks and oval shaped buttas border. Blouse contrast with self weave and border. Saree pricing and details 15,199. Take a screenshot along with the code AI292. So ee saree ki ila kuda team up cheyachandi. Even this is looking good. And for such kind of pretty contrast blouses, beautiful designer blouses, contact our brand, Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir. Not only blouses, we can go for lehengas and dupattas also. Next saree, beige. It's a dual tone and beige and yellow shade ala vastundi. Light olive green shades ala shade lo vastundi. Curvy diamond buttas vachayi all over body and cross cutty and peacock temple border. Pallu cross checks with diamond buttas. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 19,999. AI546 is the code. Let's move to the mannequin sarees. Navy blue shade, half and half sari, half is plain and half is checks with paisleys and stripes. Beautiful diamond brocade pallu, and we got a contrast plain blouse here. Ta-ta-dang. And you can customize this blouse, and like this blouse chala beautiful ga undandi. See, yeah, you can go for customization. Instead of this place you can go for paisleys like this. Chala బాగుంటుంది, elegant గా ఉంటుంది. And ఈ saree pricing and details 12,799. Next saree, very pretty peachish pink, all over floral buttas. Two types of floral buttas వచ్చాయి, which highlighted with meena. Lovely cross cutty and floral vines border. Pallu anta cross checks with florals. Blouse contrast sea green with border వచ్చింది. Saree pricing and details 6,480 only. Wow, చాలా రీజనబుల్ అండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ at very reasonable price. Just grab this beautiful saree. Many pocket friendly sarees and ఇలాంటివి మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వద్దు. And another saree, green and black. Take a screenshot along with the code M314. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand again. And for such kind of customized blouses, contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any regarding designing, just fingers on 733-733-7000. ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చూపించిన sarees, let's have a quick look. Reverse prices and repeat live lo malli kalustanu. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all, stay fit, stay healthy.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.